Hello, in this video I'm gonna share the usage of collocations in the IELTS speaking test. I'll be taking some of the common topics in the speaking test and talking about some of the different collocations that you could use in your responses. So today I'm going to focus on collocations for talking about your daily routine. Let's imagine that I'm taking part 1 of the IELTS speaking test and the examiner asked me to describe my daily routine. What collocations could I use in my response? Let's take a look at some examples. Quite a few collocations for talking about daily routine begin with the verb get up in the morning at about 7. I get dressed and I get ready to go to school or work. Other collocations begin with the verb have. Maybe I have breakfast in the morning. Maybe I have a shower, and maybe later in the day I have a meeting or a class. I could also use go to in some collocations for talking about daily routine. I probably begin the day by going to work or school. I might go to a restaurant for lunch, and finally, at the end of the day, I'll go to bed. Remember that if you are talking about an activity that ends in ing, you would use go and not go to. So for example, I would say I go shopping in the evening, not I go to shopping. If you are preparing for the IELTS speaking test, you may find it useful to study some of these collocations that are commonly used in different topics, as this could help you to improve your score for lexical results. If you found this video useful, please check out our next video. Thank you.